What's up YouTube, it's your girl D Forever back with another video, and I'm so excited to share with you that I started my beauty school journey today. I'm actually on break. I've got to get back in, but I will catch you guys when I get home. Okay, I'm officially done with my first day of school. I'm about to head home, and then I'm gonna show you guys like my kit and everything I got today. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for this journey. So if you haven't done so already and you're interested in being an esthetician, or kind of want to know how the transition works from a full-time job to beauty school to starting your own business, make sure you tap in and join me on this journey. I'm low-key hungry, but I know like I need to get home and do what I said I was gonna do in the vlog, and then I could worry about food later. But I'm not gonna lie, like I really want to stop and get some food right now, but I'm just gonna stick to my schedule. I'll worry about food later. Bye. So I got home and my boo had tacos for me. See how great mine stink alike, because I was ready to stop, y'all. But I'm back home. This lighting sucks, so I'm gonna find a new location, but I do have my kit here and I'm ready to show you guys everything that comes in the kit. So give me a second. This lighting is a lot better. I'm about to have some of my taco. So basically the first day was lit. It was really nice. We actually did do facials today, so I learned about some massage techniques. I learned about facials. I actually did a facial today. So when you go to esthetician school, you actually just jump right on it. I will say the majority of our day was like on the syllabus and kind of like understanding the rules of school. Y'all, if you miss a day or even if you're late, they charge you on top of what you're already paying for school. So it's definitely a commitment. If you're a wishy-washy person, I just say wait until some things are more aligned in your life where you can commit, because in the long run it will break your pocket. But outside of that, it was a really cool experience. We got to tour the school again. You do that when you actually go to like sign up as well. The school I go to is like cosmetology school and esthetician school, so my class is a lot smaller than the cos class. That's a lot larger, and they're dealing with like hair, nails, coloring, like that sort of thing. Whereas the esthetician's program I'm in, I'm gonna learn how to be like a skincare specialist. I'm also gonna learn how to do waxing, makeup, and they also teach you lashes, but y'all know I'm already a lash tech. Check out aalashme.com. But yeah, I'm about to grab a bite of this and I'm about to bust out my kit. I have it right here to show you guys everything you get. And the kit was like $500. I've heard at different schools it can be like up to $750 or so, but it's pretty much everything you need to be able to practice from home. You have all the resources you need inside of this kit. What's your guys' favorite tacos? Mine is pastor and chicken. But yeah, let me go finish this, grab my kit, and I'll be back. Woo! Them tacos were smacking. This is the kit. This is how big the kit is. It has little wheels on one end of it. There's no shoulder strap. And y'all, you have to fit this big old mannequin. It's not just the head, it's like the head and the shoulders. So stuff this in there. I can't wait to do her makeup. She's looking a little Amber Rose-ish right now, but her name is actually Carmen. So we're gonna get Carmen together throughout this journey. And that's pretty much just like a big empty space on the inside of the kit. He just pushed my mannequin. Anyway, so they give you this, which is a brush that you can use for your facials. And then this is lip applicator. So this is more for the makeup, which we didn't cover. We only did facials so far. This is a microfiber headband. This is used for facials, and it's pretty much used, y'all know, to tie the hair back and whatnot. And on the other side of my kit is where all the other stuff for the facials are. So I got this mixing bowl set. It has a large bowl, a medium bowl, and then this small bowl. And this is the proper palette to use, or at least this is what we got in our kit, y'all. As time goes, I might be updating this because I'm learning what the school's teaching, but there might be a better product for people that are already licensed. So as I learn of those things, I'll make sure to spread the word to you. But this little pouch here is where all your tools are. So we actually, as an esthetician, like, you are the professional to actually like extract blackheads and that sort of thing. These are all the little tools that come inside of that little kit. And then we have a little brush set, which mine was sliced open, y'all. I'm so mad. Y'all know how meticulous I am about my things. And this like is pure negligence. Somebody just cut open the box and cut mine open. But this is the brushes. So these are all the brushes that we're gonna use. This one's gonna be the one I use most often, and this is actually what I use to apply my mask in class today. So as I learn more about the functions of these brushes, I'll be sure to pass that info along. But yeah, if you are considering going to esthetician school, make sure you comment on this video and let me know that you're interested first. And secondly, give this video a thumbs up. And thirdly, make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can keep you posted on, you know, what's going on. Sorry for the noise, y'all. My boo is home and he is playing Call of Duty, I think. He used to be big on Battlefield, but now he plays Call of Duty. So moving on. This right here, it scared me a little bit when I pulled it out the box. These are eyebrow palettes, and so I'm gonna open it up to show y'all. It's actual like fake skin with like real, not real, but like little hairs for eyebrows. But this right here is gonna be, I'm so excited to learn about brows. I feel like I'm the brow queen when it comes to filling, so I'm really excited to learn how to wax them, shape them, groom them. More importantly, I can't wait to learn this so I can do my own brows, because I feel like I'm the only one that knows exactly what I want, and I'm the only one that can achieve it because I do that with my fills. So hopefully as I learn how to, you know, remove the hair and everything, I can learn how to get that really good shape that I'm looking for to make my fills even better. And then I took these from school. These are some cotton pads. And then lastly, this is it's like a little cape. They call it an esthetician cape. They didn't go over this. We have actual mocks at the school that we wear, so I'm not sure if this is for the client or what. But yeah, this is everything that goes inside of the kit that you get. You get your kit the first day of school. You also have a book, and this is the first time the school I'm going to is offering this, but I go like a hybrid class. So I go partially in seat, and then I also go partially online. So there is an online portion of the schooling. I do 10 hours in seat, and then I do 10 hours online. And as you know, my vlogs go and my day in my life stuff kind of develops, I will do some days where I kind of show you what my studying looks like, or kind of show you what my schooling looks like. And really whatever you guys want to know throughout this process, now's the time to comment down below and let me know, so as I'm creating my content I can give you guys what you want. I'm gonna pack this back up, and then I'm gonna come back and kind of just go over like what we learned today. I'm not gonna go over what we learned every class. It's just my first day, so I'm excited to share. So I'll be back. So this is my backpack. This is the bag that I bring to class with me every single day. And this actually was like a $75 backpack because it has a little built-in charger on it. And I found this at Staples, y'all, on clearance for $12.99 from Christmas. So yeah, I got a really nice, real, genuine leather backpack for the low. Make sure you check out Staples because I probably should do a video. There's one time I went couponing and got so much soap for like one sip from Staples, and it lasts us for like a whole year. But Staple low-key has all the deals. This is my little notebook that I bring to school with lashes, because even though I'm gonna be an esthetician, lashes will always be my specialty. And this is the page of notes I took at school today. So basically, we learned about facials 101. I really did learn a lot. I didn't realize that when it came to exfoliants. There were like chemical exfoliants and then ones that you can more so feel. And I guess I didn't realize that the chemical versions are the ones that really like dig in there to get the stuff out, and the other ones can just be like more topical. Another big takeaway from class today was that I learned with sunscreen, like they're always telling us to use sunscreen, but nobody really likes to use it because it's so thick and it clouds our skin up. So there's actually a mineral SPF that you can buy, and that's what estheticians use. And if you're going to be doing makeup as well, you might want to consider using the mineral one versus the chemical one, because the chemical one is the one that's kind of thick and nobody wants to put on their face because it's going to cause you to break out and all the other stuff. But yeah, obviously there's a whole page of notes. I can't give you guys all the tea, but if there's anything in specific that you want to know, make sure you comment down below and let me know. But other than that, it was a really great first day of school. I'm really excited. My transition is going from a corporate level job down to part-time to beauty school, and then transitioning into opening my own business from here. So like I said, if you are on the same boat as me or you're considering this, make sure you definitely subscribe and connect with me on Instagram. I love DMs, but you guys always have a lot of questions and I love getting back with you. So I'll go ahead and drop my socials down below. And yeah, I just feel so good about this decision and I want to share it with you guys. I feel like if there's something that's just been like tugging at you, or something that you feel like you need to be doing in life, don't let your current circumstance cap you. You know, anything is possible. This opportunity I prayed for and it happened. So I just want to encourage all my babes out there to keep living their life and just to keep going and do what makes you happy, because y'all, this happiness that I feel from just this first day of school is a whole different level of happiness than what I thought I've been feeling as happy. So just keep going. I'm here as a support sister to you if you need me. Until next time, forever babes, you know I love you. Bye.